Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Roger. I'm here today with my daughter Alexis. You know her from our previous daddy-daughter boot camp. Today we're going to go ahead and do an update for those of you that want to do a shorter than 31-day fast. We are doing a 15-day update where we went ahead and tracked all the progress just like the fast had ended. However, it hasn't. We're going to continue and we're going to finish out 31 days, the entire month of March, just to finish cutting off the rest of the weight that we put on since last year. So far, every day we've done 30,000 plus steps the entire month. That's the only exercise we've done. You can see there's no bulginess in the muscles because we haven't really been lifting weights or doing a ton of body weight exercises. We've just been walking. And that's it, walking and fasting. Anybody can do it, and here are the results.
Hi people, what's up?
Okay guys, let's talk about the results here. So, it is generally accepted that 3,500 calories burned equates to about 1 pound of body fat. Using that specific equation, I track my calorie burn via Fitbit. There's a link to the Fitbit that I use in the description below. Now for me personally, I started this thing at 244 pounds. I have since then burned a grand total of 67,172 calories as per the Fitbit app. Now of course, this is estimated, but I wanted to see how accurate it was. That would estimate that I would have lost by now 19.19 pounds plus about a 5-pound variance. So I'd be looking at roughly 24.19 pounds. Surprisingly enough to me, that's almost exactly what I lost. I lost 0.21 pounds, just under a quarter pound more than my calculated loss. That is excellent for those of us that like to be able to run our numbers beforehand so that we can calculate out how much we want to weigh at the end of any given fast. Now I have, as of today, the 16th day of 31, I have 15 more days. And I intend to lose another 19.8. As of right now, I am, as you can see, 219.8 pounds. It's a decent little bit of progress. I'm really looking forward to running it the rest of the way home. Now for Alexis, she began at 168 pounds. She weighs a good bit less than me, so her calorie burn is going to be a good bit less than mine. That's just basic physics. It takes a little bit more energy to move my big ass. So she burned a grand total of 48,696 calories, which would estimatedly have her lose 13.91 pounds, plus a 5-pound variance, only I don't think she actually eats the way I eat, so her variance is much less. Her total weight loss was just over the estimated without the variance. So the 3,500 calorie system, with me not knowing what she ate, I can't tell you how accurate it is, but we're still right there in the vicinity. As of this morning, she's down to 153.8. This is not acceptable for the long haul, so we're going to push a little harder, and we're working to get her to 140 and me to 200 by the end of this fast. For right now, that's going to be the end of the update.
Bye guys.
Have a great day.